What if I told you that if you invested just $5 per day, that you'll become a millionaire? Yes, you heard me right. Just $5 per day. And you'll be a part of the 7-figure club. A status that only achieved by the rich can now be achieved by any ordinary or average Joe, or maybe your beautiful self behind the screen. As someone who studied at one of the most prestigious universities in economics and finance, unfortunately, they don't even teach you this at school. I don't know why, but this has to be one of the most important videos I'll ever make. I promise that this video will change your life and allow you to build true financial wealth, and hopefully you could pass this information down to your children and even your children's children to leave a legacy of financial wealth, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly how to become a millionaire by just investing $5 per day. Let's get started. Now I know what you're thinking. Marcos, investing sounds so easy. I just take $5 and save this money and deposit it into my savings account. I will become a millionaire. Absolutely not. That is not how you're supposed to become a millionaire. You cannot save your way to become a millionaire. That's step one, is you can't save your way to become a millionaire. The reason why the banks and big institutions want you to save your money is so they can literally loan out this money to other banks and other individuals and make money off your money and leave you with a small interest rate of 0.33% based on data from the FDIC. Now I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what saving your money truly looks like with an investment calculator. In the caption of this video, I'm going to be linking a link to this investment calculator so you guys can follow along step by step and see what saving your money with a bank looks like. For the starting amount, we're going to be putting $0, assuming we have no money in our account yet. And for the years tab, we're going to be putting 45 years. For our return rate, we're going to be putting 0.033% based on the data for the FDIC. We're going to compound this annually. For the additional contribution, we're going to be putting $1,825 because 365 days a year times $5 is $1,825. We're going to contribute this at the end of every year, assuming we continually to invest. Now, this does not account for inflation, which is the general increase in prices of goods and services in the economy. Now, in many ways, inflation is actually making you lose money or literally burn your money, because as inflation rises year over year, your bank will not pay you enough money in terms of the interest rate to keep up with this rate of inflation. As an investor, I want to see positive returns, or at the bare minimum, a break even. So if you're investing into a savings account, essentially you're just automatically ruling yourself out of a positive return and going negative. If we calculate all this information, we can see that our end balance after 45 years of saving your money in a savings account, we're going to end up with $82,724.06. The amount of money our bank is going to be paying us for saving our money is going to be a whopping $599.06. Now for a second, I want you to think why you're being trained by the world, by the institutions, to save your money. I don't know why that's the case, but literally you, your children, your children's children, maybe even the company you work for is telling you to save your money. And that's not how you're supposed to do it, because you're going to be literally losing money and you won't retire with a dime, let alone $1 million by the time you are 65. Now, I have a solution to this. In a second, I'll be showing you exactly how to solve this. Now, most millionaires, no matter their income, according to Business Daily News, actually invest their money into places where it can grow. For example, stocks, bonds, dividend companies, index funds, real estate, and the list goes on. Remember, we just learned that millionaires invest their money in things like the stock market. There's many videos on how to invest $5 a day, but they don't exactly tell you what fund to invest in, or maybe even they recommend funds that aren't as reliable or track record healthy. I am not a financial advisor, but if there's one fund I'd recommend anybody to invest in is going to be Vanguard's VTI. Vanguard's total stock market ETF. Now the cool thing about VTI is it's an ETF, which is an exchange traded fund comprised of nearly 4,000, you heard me right, 4,000 stocks. So if you're buying $1, maybe even it's $5, maybe even it's $10, I don't care, into VTI, you are owning a share in the whole US stock market. For example, if you walk into an Apple store and you're buying an Apple product, you're technically an owner of Apple because Apple is comprised inside of VTI. Another example is if you're watching people drive Teslas, maybe you even drive a Tesla, you could essentially say you're a Tesla owner because Tesla is comprised inside one of the 4,000 stocks in VTI. Last example, if you drink a bottle of Coca-Cola, maybe you're drinking it on a Sunday, you are a Coca-Cola investor because Coca-Cola is a US stock comprised inside of VTI. So the great thing about it is you can literally own the whole stock market, which provides you with great diversification, and anybody can invest in VTI. Even beginner level investors, intermediate, and expert level hedge fund managers even invest in VTI. Now, it's one of the best funds I'd recommend anybody to do. And the reason why it's good is because it has great returns since inception of 11.94%, including dividends reinvested. So you will be getting a great return on your investment that outperforms inflation, which will make you money. Now, if we go back to our investment calculator, we'll leave everything the same, but we're gonna be changing our rate of return. Now, I'm gonna be using a 10% return rate because I don't want to include the dividends of VTI. Now, what's a dividend? It's basically a payment from companies to the shareholders to own their stock. Now, I don't want to rely on a dividend yet. We're just going to be using a return rate of 10%, which is what the total stock market has done on average since the inception. Now, if we calculate this, now this does not include inflation, okay? We're going to have an ending balance of $1,312,001.33. I want you to think what just happened. You became a millionaire. Now, I know you're going to be like, Marcos, it's 45 years. But what I'm going to say is true wealth takes time. It takes time to become wealthy. Most people aren't an overnight sensation. They work, even if they were, they probably work 10,000 hours a day. I know there's not 10,000 hours in a day, but they work 10,000 hours a day to earn that money. And in modern times, true wealth will take time. Now, our total interest on this was $1,229,876 just by contributing $82,000 over time. Now, how we got to $1.3 million is because of the power of compound interest. Now, what compound interest is literally a power effect to where as you continue to invest over time, your money will grow faster and faster at a faster rate that you can even think. So when you're sleeping, you're compounding your money over time, which will make you a millionaire. Now, I want you to dream. Play around with a calculator. Maybe you're not investing $5 a day. Maybe it's 6. Maybe it's 7. Maybe it's 10. Because the more money you invest earlier on, maybe you're even later on in life, and you invest more money than $5, you will have more money in retirement. Or even in 45 years, you'll have maybe $2 million, $3 million. Just think about what your life is going to be like in the future. How would that feel? How good would you feel? You're gonna be providing for yourself, for your family, for your children, and your children's children. Will you be the first one in your legacy to be a millionaire? Now the choice is going to be yours, but I want you to think and dream. Now we know what you're thinking. Marcos, if it was so easy to just invest $5 a day to have $1 million, then why isn't everybody doing it? Now everybody is doing it, or maybe a good portion of people are actually doing this method. Maybe not with VTI, maybe it's with the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. Maybe it's all my dividend investors out there that are investing their money. They just don't show it. They are humble. They keep it to themselves. There's people out there, ordinary people, that are doing this method to become a millionaire. Now, if you say you don't have $5 a day to invest, okay, you could cut off Starbucks coffee because coffee is very expensive. A cup of coffee nowadays is probably more than $5, so you can invest that money into something that grows your money. Maybe it's cutting off alcohol. Alcohol is super expensive. You don't even need alcohol. A drink is like $15, like going out somewhere. So that's like 3 days of investing $5. Maybe it's cutting off expensive food, eating out, maybe cook a home-cooked meal. There's many ways to do it. You could have a side hustle. There's many different ways to make money and monetize skills to make money on the side to invest. By investing $5 a day, you're setting yourself up in the future for financial freedom. Find something you're passionate about. Genuinely find something that you're passionate about and can wake up every day to make money, to maybe even invest $5 to become a millionaire. Find something you're passionate about. Love what you do, because life is short. It's not always going to be about money, maybe, to become a millionaire. It's about who you become and what you do with your life. Now, if you don't achieve anything in life, I want you guys to achieve and promise me that you're going to become a millionaire. Promise me that, because that would be one of the biggest feelings and achievements you could do. And you could tell your kids that, hey, I became a millionaire and this is how you're supposed to do it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the love. Please do subscribe and share this video to people that need to hear this. More people in this world need to hear this video. And as always, leave a like, because this cute puppy did. Comment down below maybe a stock that you're investing in that's not VTI, or maybe it's even VTI, to buy and hold forever. Or even comment a word of encouragement or inspiration, words of advice for young, middle-aged, or even people into their retirement. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.